Okay folks, today I'm going to show you a camping toilet hack. A lot of campsites you go to, particularly if you're wild camping, don't have toilet facilities. It's easy for us blokes. If you want a number one, we can nip behind a bush. If you want a number two, a little bit more difficult. And obviously for you ladies out there, this should help. I had officially already bought a toilet camping thing. You got a little seat that came integrated with it, but if you can get hold of one of these large buckets, this is an old trade paint bucket, or I actually had one that had a lot of dog food in it. Same sort of thing, or you can perhaps pick one up from a hardware store for a couple of quid. Pop the handle out of the side there, toilet roll, thread that through, push that back in, clips in, so you got your glue roll there. Next, get yourself a sturdy bin bag, pop it in, and bear in mind this will also work for the official, well not a homemade one, if you bought a shop bought one. Now this is an old pool noodle that I've cut down. You get these from a couple of quid from toy stores or hardware stores. Again, I just put a slice in it with a bread knife down the, but be careful doing that, put a slit in it, and what I'm going to do, make a nice comfy seat all the way around, push it down, pull it round, you reach up there, and there we've got a nice cushioned seat. Now again, you can put the bin bag in this one. Now there's the trick, cat litter. Good decent amount of cat litter in the bottom. So if you then need to go in the middle of the night or whenever, in your toilet tent, in your awning, behind a bush, put your cat litter in and it will absorb your number ones, your number twos, and if it works for cats, why not for us? But once you've done what you need to do, a bit more cat litter on top, soak it all up, and if you want to, once you've finished, take it out, tie it off, and all done, nice and neat. No smells, no mess, no fuss, but make sure you dispose of it responsibly. Don't dump it, put it in a bin, get rid of it properly folks, okay? That's cost me next to nothing. I think this was about £15 when we went to a festival. Choice is yours, but either way, this works in there, your cat litter. Like I say, make sure you dispose of responsibly. Give us a like and subscribe to Monkey's Uncle Doug's Club.